Hi, everybody. It's Liz, and we are going to take a look at how to encrypt or put password protect a document. So when you're doing your escape room, it's actually more like an escape room because there has to be a password to get in the next door. So when you were in this escape room and you clicked on the image, the first thing you came across was that you had to enter a password. When you enter the password, hopefully I spelled this correctly. Sometimes you have to click twice. It showed you this document that was a Word document, and then it had the link to the next clue, right? Great. So how did I do that? That is a great question. I was so excited when I found this. When I did the first one, I was like, there's got to be a way that you can make these password protected. Well, Google doesn't have that option. So what I did was I searched for a tutorial. I found one on how to do it with a Word document. But then to use it, I had to upload it into Google because if you don't do that, um, when you link it with the Word document, it makes you use your team's email address or your Gmail address, and that won't work for our kids. So then I just uploaded it up into Google so that they don't have to do any logging in. It's just going to work for them. Okay. So how do you do it? It's so simple. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So you're going to go into open a Word document. Here you go. I'm going to start with a blank doc. Okay. And I'm going to enable content, and I'm going to give this thing, I'm going to file save as something. File uh, save. It needs a name, and we're going to call it escape room Liz. Okay. Then I want to save it to this PC, and I want to save it to my desktop. All right. So now this document is saved. Now, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to just make this look cute for my layout. So I'm just going to add a border. And the reason why I'm doing this is we're going to design. Here we go. I'm going to add a border. I like to go to the box and I make it big. So the 6 point, then you can really see it. Okay, then I'm going to type some stuff in here, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I've typed my things in the document and I'm ready to go. I want to save this. Now, what I'm going to do, this is really important. I'm going to make a copy because once I passport protect it, the document is no longer open if you have the password. And occasionally you might forget a password, and that could happen. Except that what you're going to do is you're going to create another document called um, escape room passwords, and then you can just keep them right in there. But just in case, just make the 2 documents because you don't want to waste time if for some reason you forget the password and lose the escape room codes or something like that. Okay, so we're going to make a copy, file, save a copy, and we're going to call this escape room Liz copy. All right, and I'm going to save it to this PC. And once again, I want to save it to my desktop. All right, there we go. Great. Now I'm going to save this one. Great, good to go. Yay, yay, yay. And I'm going to go back to my original. I can show you from this one, actually. I'm just going to show you from here. All right, what we're going to do, it's so easy to do this. You're going to go to File. You're going to go to Info. So File to Info. When you're here, ta-da, protect your document. Select Encrypt with Password, and then select a password. So I'm going to use Liz as my password. And then it's going to say Liz again. Now, look at what it says. If you lose or forget your password, it cannot be recovered. It's advisable to keep a list of passwords. Highly recommend that, but also make another copy for just in case. Okay, so then I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm going to go back to my document. All right. Okay, so Escape Room Liz was my copy that I made. And then I have my other, there we go, this one. Now I'm going to close it. And it's closed. Now I'm going to close a lot of things. I'm going to open it back up. So Escape Room Liz, we want the one that's Escape Room Liz copy because that's the one I encrypted. You open it up and it needs the protection. It has that password. So let's see. I didn't put this anywhere. I should have. I think I just did Liz. Ta-da, and it opens up. So it's that simple. And then you're just going to upload it into Google so you have it as a Google link and it's ready to go, and it works great, and it's so fun to have this password protected document as part of your escape room. I hope that was helpful. and have a great day.